Yaskawa.
Another direction-sensitive feature found in amplifiers is overtravel. Some people refer to this as the limit switch function. Overtravel is an amplifier input that stops the motor from moving in one direction. One input for forward and another input for reverse. We establish the boundaries of overtravel by placing a sensor at each end of the machine's range of motion. A properly programmed controller should prevent the machine from ever getting close enough to reach these sensors, but experience dictates the wisdom of planning for the unexpected. Overtravel inputs can prevent costly damage. Without it, moving parts of the machine could be allowed to crash into one another. Now, the positive overtravel sensor is connected to the amplifier input that stops motion in only the forward direction. The negative overtravel sensor is connected to the amplifier input that stops motion in only the reverse direction. So you can see that if these sensors get switched around, or if the direction of the servo doesn't match the direction of the machine, the motor might not stop at the overtravel sensor. Damage or even injury might result. It pays to remember that an overtravel stop is not an emergency stop. An emergency stop would prevent all motion in all directions. An overtravel stop is simply a quick way to stop motion in one direction. In an overtravel condition, the controller can be programmed to recover and the servo can still be moved in the opposite direction.